Rosetto is not a girl's name. I used to think it's a girl's name. I read this name Rosetto mystery. मैं लगा ये लड़की का नाम है क्या? But actually it is not a girl's name. It is a place, I think 100 miles towards southeast of Rome and foothills of Italian province of Foggia. It is very old, village kind of place. बोलते ना गांव टाइप का place था वो. Those time Rosetto was actually struggling with a lot of food, lot of survival of economy, and what happened after that? Few people faced a lot of heat, and within no time, the good news of America, the land of fortune, was just came to their island, and some people, in 19th century, they heard the opportunity across the ocean. And that is when in January 1882, a group of 11 Rosettians, people who were there, they wanted to try something new. They went on to the excursion and they set sail for New York. And it might took few years of time where they could find more opportunities in US. And धीरे करके all these Rosettians people, they migrated from their place to America. But the irony is that the Rosettians was a very beautiful place itself. It was in land of hill, and it was very quiet and peaceful place. People were actually happy there around. The culture was different. But while this migration happened, धीरे culture, everything went dilute, and slowly within I think 15 to 20 years, everyone started migrating there. And in the year of 1896, a dynamic young priest was nominated for mayor kind of stuff in village. As panchayati hoti hai वैसे like mayor बन जाता है लड़का. And धीरे they started multiplying and replicating whatever they used to live in Italy or their place. They started replicating the same thing in the city of the USA, which is close to near Pennsylvania. So this is a place called I think Garibaldi, some place was there, and they started living there. And the moment the population was more than 1,000, 2,000, they actually duplicated their own village in America's near Pennsylvania city, and they again named the place as Rosetto. So Rosetto again from Italy came to in the US. And what happened उसके बाद क्या होता है, कुछ सालों के बाद जो रोजेटो के आसपास के जो गांव होते हैं, people were living their life peacefully and all, and there are a lot of in around I think 1940 to 1950s, a pandemic hit. Just like how pandemic is right now, a pandemic hit, people were dying. In fact, at that time, under 65 age में, the rate of death of heart disease was very, very high. And उसी time पे there's a group of doctors who met very near village to Rosetto, some other village, and they started drinking, and they started telling कि ये क्या चल रहा है, what is happening in this world and all those stuff. And luckily एक doctor निकल के आता है. One of the doctor comes and tells कि you won't believe it, there's something very peculiar about this village near our place. The village name is Rosetto. There nobody has died under 65 out of heart disease, and even above 65 age में जितने लोग मरे हैं, the people who have died out of heart disease, their percentage level is half comparative to the whole USA. And that was completely astonishing. And the moment the physician knew about it, the physician name was Stuart Wolf. It was his name, and he was so amazed. He thought, yeah, if this is the case, then definitely the antidote and everything, we can actually figure it out from there, and we can help the whole country itself. And then he was actually a professor at Pennsylvania, I think University of Oklahoma का वो भी था, professor भी था. He gathered a team and he went to Rosetto and started exploring. And the results were astonishing. The results were, what he saw was, first thing, the lifestyle. The lifestyle, what he used to feel कि अच्छा, what is the major difference it could be. One could be the lifestyle. Doctor के दिमाग में क्या आएगा, अच्छा healthy lifestyle कितने लोग जी रहे हैं, कितने लोग अच्छा खाना खा रहे हैं, कितने लोग दारू पी रहे हैं या फिर सिगरेट, they're just smoking, all those stuff. The lifestyle. When they studied the lifestyle, it was not different actually. It was actually similar lifestyle what any other village nearby Rosetto had. Now the doctor was more abacked. He was thinking, अभी हो क्या रहा है? And if the lifestyle is same like in other people, why people are not dying? And finally, what happened? Wolf, the Dr. Wolf, got another of his friend who is a sociologist, and he told, यार एक काम करते हैं, सारे फैमिली के घर जाके उनसे बात करते हैं. Let us understand each family's life. Let us see what kind of life they lived. The moment they did that, they slowly observed what was happening. The beauty was that the culture and the people who were living in the Rosetto family and the Rosetto area was tremendously priceless. The meaning, every home, whatever they had, every home had 3 generations of family eating together, and people were walking in the street. लोग पता है ऐसे जी रहे थे जैसे कॉलेज की लाइफ जी रहे हैं. if you have ever studied in college life, the stress free life and hanging around, having a lot of fun, and also doing boozing everything कर रहे हो, but फिर भी chill है, सब कुछ लाइफ में सब सब अच्छा चल रहा है, और वहाँ पे अपना खुद का भी खेती बाड़ी लगा दिया है, खाना भी खा रहे हैं, ऐश भी कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ चल रहा है. And that culture, he initially thought कि इसके कारण हो रहा है क्या, but then he was not sure, because scientifically how will you prove that? Yeah, ultimately for heart disease there has to be scientific reason, and he could not find it. And this was something he called in his professional term as outlier. If you just observe, Rosetto was there in Italy as well, and same Rosetto they replicated in the US, Pennsylvania as well. We began to realize was that the secret of Rosetto was not diet or exercise or genes or location. It had to be the culture itself. And that is when they came up to the conclusion that if you have a good culture around your life or around your loved one, whatever it is, your lifespan increases because you're always happy, your stress level always decreases, and if you are around like-minded people who are aspiring for your dreams or aspirations, but the key aspect is the surroundings and the culture you are created and you're associated with. And that is what at PIM we aspire. The vision, I was so amazed after reading the story. मुझे लगा यार यही तो हम लोग अभी कर रहे हैं. The thing which they have lived, and they created a uniqueness about their culture where thousands of people are living happily and also lived healthily. This is what we want to inculcate in here right now in this pandemic situation. And then we will become the unique community which people will be they'll come inside our community and see अच्छा ये चल क्या रहा है, वो क्या रहा है, इसमें लोग इतने खुश क्यों हैं, why people are so happy, why people are so motivated, why people are always so positive about of life, why people are optimistic. And that culture makes all the difference, and the association makes all the difference. So build good friendship. Let's all build a very wonderful culture, because it is not out of me. It is a combined effort from all of us to create that culture and multiply it.